كم ياللهم دحند لهم سلام كتلو سمولو تسفاينا دكاي لما عندي كاني بفلي زبده ነገር መስinaኩም አለና ምንዘም ጽፎቶም ክልተ ደቀይ ኮይና መግቢ ክንጠዕሚን همزኹም ኮይና ናይ ናይጀሪያን ፉድ አምጪና አለና ነህለ كنفتنينا نحنا كا فتين كفل عندها
أنا فتينا Nigerian food قدم last time I think we watched the video
أنا وين haven't good it's first time right
it was my first time so
so سلام بروا
سلام عندهم لهم هنسفتني أنا جبار بحال إرتراوية so لما أنت كان بلعنا Nigerian food حدش عليه مقبي and يمانا زلكا Leo aka haven't بحال introduce yourself, like let them know your name, nickname, nationality, you know what I'm saying?
With everything.
Yeah.
Salam, Haben, you know, Leo.
Yeah, say. Salam kamalakum.
Salam kalmakum.
Yeah.
Salam kamayallahum.
Yeah, it means like how are you everyone?
How are you? Salam kamay
Allahum.
Yeah. There you go.
Good job.
You know, it's my first time trying Nigerian food, so I don't know what to expect. You know, you're gonna get a live reaction.
Nice.
Exactly. So now Mexican trying Nigerian food for the first time with Eritrean next to him. So we're gonna try. We're gonna let you guys know how it tastes. So we don't know. We don't know what the names are. We're gonna, we're gonna just make it happen.
Pick random things.
We're gonna see what it is. But I kind of know some of that stuff. So first thing first, I think everybody know this. This is fufu.
Fufu?
This is fufu. Fufu. And then here we got, I don't know, some Chinese thing looking. Here we got like rice and chicken, or beef, I think. You remember this? What was it?
I don't know.
And here's something, I forgot. I don't know. Something. And then here we got, I don't know, bread or something.
I think that was the appetizer or
really?
Or something.
Alright, so I don't know where should we start, bro?
Oh, what is it? But
so I guess you eat that with this soup.
Like
you dip it and stuff. So we could maybe start with this and the fufu. You know? So let's start it. Okay. This is, do you remember what this is?
I don't remember.
Soup.
But
okra soup? No. Suku soup? What do you call it?
Okra soup mustani.
Something soup.
Okra. I think okra.
Okay. And then here, what do we have here?
Oh,
plantain. We have plantain here.
What is that?
Like plantain. And then let's open this one.
That one might be the chicken. Spicy chicken.
Oh yeah, this is spicy.
Spicy chicken.
Smell it.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Alright, and then here, let's see what we have here.
Let me open this one.
Yeah, open that one.
I open it.
Oh, I think this might be the dessert.
Like churros.
Look at that burrito, like from Chipotle.
Oh, burrito.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
It's like chicken, steak, beef.
Oh, it's beef or
beef with onion.
Oh, steak.
It's like grilled.
Steak, I think.
Alright, so let's try. So we'll start with this. Oh, damn, you forgot to do it, bro.
Okay.
They, the traditional they do it.
I do.
You're supposed to slap it.
Wow.
Yeah, no, I'm hacky. Like they, I swear to God, they do that. So you're supposed to slap it like that, and you open it, and then you do this. Yeah, so like you see like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's the tradition. That's why I be seeing on TikTok. That's why they do it. No, heck yeah. They be doing that, bro.
Wow.
Alright, so let's start right here. So we'll start with this. First thing first, we gotta pray, okay? We're gonna pray, but we're not gonna really show you guys, so just stay with us.
Try all of them.
Yeah, which one are you excited to try that first?
Yeah.
This one smells the best.
Alright, you wanna start with that one?
That one looks like it tastes the best.
Yeah.
And then this one looks interesting. But it looks like it'll be good. Like the sauce, I like this how it's saucy.
Juicy, yeah.
You know, I might.
Alright, so let's try it. Just grab this, like a piece, like this.
By hand?
Yeah, by your hand.
Okay.
And then You can do this, I think.
Sticky.
You can do this.
Move it around.
Yeah. Thank you. It's like
the,
sticky.
the beginning of a tortilla.
It's Play-Doh.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, so you're supposed to eat it like this now. With like this. Eat it with this and then get some chicken with it, I think. And then eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, grab some. Don't be scared. Yeah. Go ahead, Mama. Grab some chicken with it too, I feel like.
Ooh, that sauce is good. I'm not gonna lie.
Like, I think you gotta grab the chicken like this.
Yeah. So good.
I like the sauce. It's good.
Yeah.
Good.
It's like bamia.
Yeah.
I don't know, you know what bamia is?
Bamia, yeah. Okra.
It's like okra. Oh yeah, okra. That's what they call it. What do you guys call this?
Okra.
Vegetable.
It's not bamia, but looks like bamia.
Yeah. Alright, grab some. Now grab with the chicken. Like a good one, a big, like, you feel me? Like a big bag. Come on, bro.
Yeah. Thank
You gotta get the soup too. Yeah. Grab some of that. Yeah. I did it. Huh?
Too far for me.
Yeah. No, don't be shy, man. Come here, تعمل كمان MamaGebar.
Good.
It's good, huh?
Mhm.
I actually like it.
Normally,
I feel like- Yeah.
fully
This has no flavor.
Yeah.
Flavor. Show you look at it.
It's good, but I'm.
Yeah, this helps it. Like it matches it perfectly.
Oh,
Like,
that's why it's in the selection.
yeah. What you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
We gotta do the TikTok. How they be doing? What is your name?
What's your name? What's your name? What is your name?
Whose name?
You gotta say. They ask you. They ask you. What is your name? Right? You
Yeah.
say. My name is. Ooh.
What's
So-
your name?
My name is. Ooh, kiki. What is your name?
My name's. What's your name?
My name Haben.
Now, time to try the rice.
Rice.
This is beef, right? Beef. What's the beef?
No,
Chicken.
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 Yeah,
Chicken
spicy-
rice.
Really?
Spicy chicken.
Looks like.
All right, come on, try it.
Oh, I'm not sure. It's
No, it look
chicken.
like beef.
I think it looks like lamb or.
Oh, it might be
Or is it
goat. Yeah,
Oh,
it might be
yeah.
goat. All right, try it.
Yeah, yeah.
Grab a
Oh,
bone.
this is chicken one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
grab a bone and then grab some rice too. Do it with your hand.
Yeah. Take, yeah.
Yeah, there you go, shoulder.
Yeah.
All right, let's see, taste it. Wait, have you had goat before?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're used to it.
Yeah.
Birria.
Oh, the birria, yeah, Mexican, yeah. Let's try it. Here, MamaGebar. My mom love MamaGebar.
So
She love Atsmi. So she gonna destroy this when the camera's off.
Wow.
Dog.
It's chewy.
It's chewy. Let's try it.
Try with some
I don't
Atsmi.
like goats.
Oh, it's chewy.
That's
Really?
Gajiva. That's mine. I was said it. See?
I don't know if I'm a fan of this one.
Acquired taste.
Huh?
It's good though. I like it.
Maybe with the rice, maybe it would help.
Yeah.
Mmm.
The rice
The
goat
rice.
combination.
But get the rice with the red sauce, bro. Trust me, that shit is so good. There you go. Yeah. The goat, I'm not a fan.
Good.
the rice good though.
Mhm.
I
Yeah.
don't know. The red sauce kind of remind me of that one red sauce that we put with some potatoes and chicken and stuff.
Where at?
The one that you guys be making.
You say
The
Right.
one with the red sauce and the potatoes, chicken.
هي تنسرح الخمس تعمل
Oh.
Tastes like it a little bit.
كم تنعطي yeah. غون خلي yeah.
The
يعني
rice
مراتك
is good.
هتقومي مالتي. Do you like my
cooking.
cooking too?
Yeah, that one's 10 out of 10. Always.
Oh,
Very
really?
good, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the rice is good.
Yeah, good.
I like the rice.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Alright, now we're also gonna try this too.
Steak.
Steak.
No. Not to me. Not
What?
for me. No.
So you have to try it.
Okay, I'm trying, but I don't
So
know.
now we got steak.
Steak.
It looks like beef jerky.
It's so good.
Not bad.
Yeah,
I like the seasoning.
yeah, it's good.
I wish I had like sauce, like barbecue sauce.
Something to dip it in.
Yeah. Or maybe you could dip it here. Maybe we can dip in the soup.
Oh no, I didn't think so.
Like
You
this.
do that?
Steak?
Yeah, try it.
Yeah. No.
That's not bad.
No, this one with the.
Yeah, this chicken.
Oh.
That's not bad. And then we have plantain.
Plantain.
You're good. Good and healthy.
Yeah.
This one's good. I like the plantain. Yeah, this one's good.
So good. Yeah.
Fire.
Sweet and good. Yeah.
Oh, also haven't got this Nigerian drink. Soda. I don't know what it is.
What is that?
Vita Malt.
Vita Malt. It's supposed to be like a sweet drink.
Oh.
Try it and rate it 1 through 10.
They said it was what, sweet?
Yeah, it's like honey. Might be like root beer.
Wow, that tastes like honey.
Really? Like straight
straight
up honey?
Yeah. Like
For real?
honey pack.
You're lying.
But I heard it tastes straight like honey.
What
Very
the-
sweet though. I don't know. It's good, but I don't know if you're supposed to like sip on it a little bit or how you're supposed to drink it, but super sweet.
Yeah. Come on, get that fufu. Dip it in here. Yeah, big boy bite.
Yeah. That's so good.
Yeah, I really
Yeah.
like the sauce right here.
That sauce very good. Hey.
I'm gonna do rice.
Actually,
Thank you.
that's like okay. Oh, rice in the oven.
Thank you.
So now we tried everything. كله فاتنا هنا. هجي بجوا قورنا كله مسانا هونكم. Yeah. I think one time. أنت حاسب اللون؟ I think one day you should make Nigerian food. Try make Nigerian food.
I will. Okay, yeah. Sorry, Nigerian fufu.
Yeah, especially this.
Fufu is juicy.
Fufu is good. I'm not gonna lie. I like the fufu now. When I started to I was not a fan.
Yeah.
هتجيكن دهاني.
أنا كلا جزء دهاني ماسي. Special زي sauce بتعمي.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
So, from all of them, Haben, which one you enjoy the most? Which one you like more now?
It has to be the chicken soup and the rice.
Yeah.
I think the best taste.
What about this? You don't like the fufu? This?
With the
Yeah, with that, the good
Yeah,
combination.
yeah.
That's
yeah.
good.
With
By itself, I think it's not that really good.
yeah.
I can't really taste anything.
Yeah.
By
They're like plain.
yeah.
Like plain. Like. What do you explain it?
Again, Nigerian كبار خلاصي ولا زبل ولا زي why it doesn't go comes in Nagawar as well.
I don't know. Maybe it's not hot.
It's different, I think. You guys, it's different or same thing. ولا زبل. مخنياتو
I'm getting full already though. This is good though.
بامية.
I say I like my favorite one is probably the rice. The rice for sure. The rice. The plantain. Very good too.
Yeah.
Plantain. This one, I don't like this one. This lamb, I don't like it.
Can I give you this one?
Yeah, good too.
Oh,
Chicken.
thank you.
You like chicken, right?
Yeah.
That's 71
Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna dip it.
Dip it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah. But so, this is your first time eating Nigerian food, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how would you compare it like to any American food or like? You can't, huh?
No, I feel like it has its own taste.
Like taste bud.
Like the sauces they use and the seasoning. It's all different tastes. I can't really compare it to anything.
Yeah. You guys have something similar to this in like in Mexico?
By itself, yeah, but not with these combinations.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a good combination the way they make it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, one day we're gonna to eat with Haben Mexican food.
Yeah.
Yeah, good dish.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bring you a good one.
yeah,
Good Mexican food.
yeah. Yeah, طعمه طعمي ناتهم كان very good. Spicy. Looks like.
One day we're gonna go to Mexico, all of us.
Oh,
That's the plan.
that's what we should try.
Nice.
Yeah, in Mexico. We're gonna try it in Mexico.
Authentic.
I'm happy.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my god. Me and food.
Sorry. Not me not now.
But so what would you recommend this to anybody else?
I would. I really enjoyed it. I feel like it was a good meal. Good tasting, you know. And there's only some of many dishes, you know, so maybe there's better ones. You never know. So if you guys know better ones, let us know.
Yeah,
In the comments, we'll try those. But these are good. I like them.
yeah, very good. Yeah,
So you like it?
yeah, I like it. ምክንያቱም ካልኣይ ግዜ ዝጠዕሞ ዘለኹ መጀመርያ
You get used to it more now. No, like
ከይድ ከለኻ ኢኻ ዝኾነ መግቢ ሓደ ግዜ ፈቲንካ ክትፈርዶ ይትኽእልን ኢኻ
Yeah.
ዝተደጋግሞ ግን ተስተማቕሮ ሕጂ እዚ ብጣዕሚ ጥዑም እዚ ፍፉ ከዓኒ ምዚ እዩ ዝኸይድ ዳስ ዋይ ፍሌቨር ዘይብሉ ኣይ ቲንክ ካብ
God.
ወቲ ገዓት ካብ እዚ
ጥሕሎ. It's like ጥሕሎ.
ጥሕሎ
Yeah.
ጥሕሎ ባርሊ እዚ ባርሊ ይኮነን
Really?
ጥሕሎ ካብ ባርሊ ይስራሕ ካብ ስጋ እዚ ግን ካብ እዚ ባናና ዝመስል ምሻለ ባናና ዓይነት ተሪር እሱ ዝቃዓት መስለኒ ወይ ድማ ካልእ ነገር ኣሎ ከዓ ከምዚ ይቆርፎ ይብስልዎ ድሓር
Dip it in
ከምዚ
your
ሃርሞ ማለት
Oh, you got that. La fufu finished with that soup.
yeah we really like it very good
Very, very good.
very good thank you yeah just do comment
Yeah, comment. Let us know.
yeah
Let's tell them. They should let us know what to try next.
yeah
Drop it in the comments. What should try next?
Yeah. Any
Open to
country.
any suggestion, any food, whatever you guys like, we want to try.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna let Haben try Somalian food. That's what we're gonna do. On the next video,
So again,
Haben Somalian food. Very excited. Never tried, right?
never
Yeah.
tried.
Yeah. So
First time.
yeah
comment, go to like, go to the video. I thought so.
interesting
And then yeah, www.MamaGebar support goa MamaGebar. Yeah.
يا أفراد أتهم قارة أيوة كل نجار شرو بربرة تسمي قاع نايقاعات تحني بزح نجار محزل زريان سلا بزح نجار علىكم أتهم رأيوه كابزر ليكم نجار حدا بس يومه حج حدش مسير لجن ما بقى مسير ما بقى توجين يارو حجي حدش ما بقى مسير كحلفكم بزح يكونن قال جزء بغالة حستوس كان الرهب سلامن طعنان كسانة معهم.
Peace.